Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you two ways to perform a vacuum leak test in your motor. Let's start. Okay guys, the first technique that I want to show you is the simplest one. We're going to use a bottle with water or just a soapy water. The next thing that we want to do is with the engine running, we want to spray around the hoses, brake booster, hose, uh, intake manifold, exhaust manifold, or any place around the engine where we believe or we might believe we have a vacuum leak. So with the engine running, if we found a vacuum leak, what is going to happen is the engine is going to kind of like hesitate, or the RPMs are going to go up and down, and you might feel like the engine is going to die. So that's an indication that we have found our vacuum leak. It's a very simple technique that anyone can use at home to find vacuum leaks. Okay guys, the second technique that I'm going to show you today is we're gonna use a smoke machine, and I'm going to use this tool. This tool, what it's going to do is going to seal the the throttle body. This way, we are basically sealing all the components inside of the engine. And if there is a vacuum leak, uh, smoke is going to start flowing around that area. So this tool is very useful, and I'm very happy to show you how to do it. For those who want to maybe buy this tool, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so you can get it. So first thing, depending on your engine, you want to remove your resonator, have full access to the throttle body. The way this tool works is pretty simple. We're gonna close the valve, and then we are going to pump on this little bleeder over here. We're gonna insert the tool into the throttle, but just be careful, don't make pressure against the throttle. You don't want to move the throttle with the tool, okay? So just be careful. And as you can see, there is another line, and this line is to insert our smoke, just like this. So now we want to check if we notice smoke around any place on the engine. We can turn off the light. Maybe it's gonna be easier to spot the smoke if there is any. Another technique or way that you can use to find not exactly vacuum leaks but exhaust leaks. You can use the tool, but just make sure the exhaust is cold, okay? If it's hot or is rubbing against something sharp, it's going to damage the tool, so be careful. So guys, in my case, using this technique, I was able to spot exhaust leak. It's the resonator. Just for just keep in mind, almost all resonators, they have holes, right? But in my case, as you can see, my resonator is in pretty bad condition. It's rusty all the way in, so it's time to replace it. No doubts about it. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something new today. How to find vacuum leaks using two very simple techniques. If you're not a subscriber yet, please consider subscribe, and see you in the next one.